I am Enes Wakun, the founder of Educators and Cloudhost Ghana. And this is part 3 of school management system. That's Ghana School Portal. Let me tell you something. If you're watching me for the first time, this is a school management system, and I'm going to show you how to create this school management system. Very complex one. So this is part 3. If you're watching me for the first time, look for part 1, and it's under this playlist. Okay, part 1, part 2, and continue with this part 3. Okay, now let's go straight to the point. Right now we are going to look at before you can. In our last video we learned about, that is where to get a plugin. Okay, sorry, we learned about how to get the software, okay, or the application. Now we are going to look at how to, before you can install the application, you need a hosting platform. Okay, you need a hosting platform to do it. That is, you need a domain and a hosting. You have to host it on your own server, or you have to buy a share hosting. Okay, so I will not take you to anywhere. I'm going to take you to a place where you can get affordable, or in fact cheap web hosting plan, okay, for this software. You will spend at least just about 100 and let's say around let's say 250 cities. Then you get a hosting, both domain and hosting. Okay, now before, let's first check for the sake of those who are not in Ghana here. I just want to convert the amount to currency. Let's say you will spend about 300. It's not up to 300. So let's take so which means that you pay $25. If you are not in Ghana, you pay an amount around $25 for both domain hosting. And so the only place that I will recommend for you is Cloudhost. The Cloudhost is our hosting platform. Okay, so just come to Cloudhost, create an account, and go ahead. Okay, so the first thing, you can just sign up. Okay, yes, just sign up first. You can just go straight and sign up, do the verification. After that, you can come here and log in. Let me do that. So I already have an account here, so I've entered my email password. Click login, and this is my dashboard. Okay, yes, later I will teach you guys how to create different software. If I tell you that I was the one who created this hosting that is this hosting manager. Okay, yes, just for invoice and to manage my hosting. Yes, I created this one. So I will teach you how to do that. Okay, so let's come back here. As I said, so if you don't have an account here, the first thing, you go to hosting services. Okay, just come to hosting services, and all our hosting plans comes with unlimited websites. Okay, yes. Oh, okay, cool. Okay, so I already have packages, but if you don't have, you'll not see all this. Okay, so just come back, buy hosting. When you click buy hosting, then you see all the list here, starting from 100. Let's see, 100 cities, 200, 150. We have 400 and 600. Okay, if you are not in Ghana, you can just check it. You can use the converter to convert it to dollars and see. Okay, so you can go with this one. The 100 cities plan is okay. Okay, you'll get 512, but I would advise you to go with 1 gig will be enough for one website. Okay, yeah, 1 gig is okay. So just go with this one. Okay, so add to cart. Here you have to register a domain. Okay, so you have to enter your domain. Let's say my domain is DDDD. Okay, then if it is .com, then you can check, and now they say I can buy it. Then you can just proceed, continue. Okay, you click continue, then you see the total amount. Okay, so both for domain and hosting, because I selected a hosting plan of 150, and I'm going to pay 330 cities. Okay, very cheap. you can just continue on, and it's easy. You'll be able to pay for that. Okay, I already have domain hosting, so I don't have to go through that. So that's very simple. Okay, good. So after you have paid for that and you want to log in, just come back here to hosting services, and you see your package list here. I want to log in to this account, or okay, so that is this account. Okay, yeah, this account. So you see control panel. Click that, and automatically it will take you to your control panel, and this is my control panel. Okay, so this is my dashboard. So for the first time, after making payments, and you go to hosting services, and you can come to your control panel here. Later I will show you around, but right now I will just go back, and let me go back again. I'm going to show you something. In case you want to change your DNS, you have paid for domain hosting. So you see your domain list here. If I want to change the DNS for this domain, I will click manage here. You come to domains, then you click manage. So you come to domains here, then you click manage here. Then you uncheck this one, then you enter your name servers here. Very simple. This server name server is DNS. I can just enter that DNS7.cloudhost, or you can decide to copy the domain name here. Yes, so you can just copy that. I'm such a lazy guy, you don't know. So I will just paste that here. See, so dns7.cloudhostgh.com, and I can go to the next slide, dns8.cloudhost.com. Okay, now you don't have to do this. I just want to show you how to go about it. Then you click update, and it will update it for you. This domain, it has expired. So yes, so that's it. I'll come back here to the overview, and we are done for now. So thank you for watching. Very simple and easy if you want to buy domain hosting here. So you can go ahead. I mean, there is a backup. Okay, so your website are secure in case if something happens. You always have a backup. Okay, that's a weekly backup, and it happens every Sunday. So you have a backup to restore in case something happens. Okay, so with this server, I mean, your system, your website is 100% secure. Now let's end here. Watch out for the next video, or you can check below this video. Yeah, and watch the next video. That is where we are going to install the software. Thank you.